Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Candy Pearly Fairy. So today I want to first show you my new flat from the Beyond Wonderland. Alright, take a look. Isn't it beautiful? So colorful. And of course, you see my candy cloth. The rotating one, super cute. I'm thinking to decorate it a little bit more, but I don't have time right now, so whenever I'm available, I'm gonna add on to this. But today, actually, I want to show you my new 3D perler Among Us. Let's take a look. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Hi everyone, so welcome again. So today I want to show you my 3D perler Among Us. So I think they're called the crewmate, and then they said some of them they're imposter. So I don't know, but I think they're just super cute, and then they're very easy to create, and then also like make special things about them. So as you can see, I made different colors, kind of like the rainbow color, and then I also did the Pikachu skin, so it's like this. And then even you turn around the oxygen bag, it has the Pikachu print on it. And then I also made this giant one. Boom. Wow, look at how huge it is. So as you can see, the feature, they're stackable. It's very easy to just stack on it. Oh, this one. Let's try this one. So it's very easy to stack on each other. Putting onto your fingertips. Putting on my favorite colors. See, so for like little kids, they like to play around with them, or you can just pose for a picture. So it's super fun. And then this is my take of this design to make this Among Us. I know a lot of 3D perler actors or designer have made their own, but I feel I want to make myself one, like so that I remember how to, you know, the pattern, and I know how to modify it to make other ones. And I feel like it's very easy to build this one, and you can just easily build it like maybe in a minute. I'm gonna show you if I can do that. So today I'm gonna show you how to build one of these. Okay, so all the pieces are ready. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna take the goggle and then this little piece with the gray on it. First, we're gonna connect it like this. This is the second piece. So the 3 layers is on the top, and we're gonna put that in. Got it? And then let's go to the third piece. This one is the front piece without the legs. So you have 2 pieces like this, but one with the extra leg. This one with the shorter leg. Now we have the front piece made. Let's go into the body part. So first we'll need these 2 pieces. They're the side body, the first one. And then here is the connector for these 2. So the longer side goes up to go in, leaving 2 beads extra. So this one, the same thing onto the other side. Just like so. And then you can see 2 holes right here. So we're gonna slide the bottom ears into these 2 slots. Let's give it a try. Alright, so it will look like this. You see the 2? Alright, so now we have this, the body. Alright, let's close it up to the back. So this is the other piece I talked about earlier with the longer legs. So also put these 2 ears into the holes. just like so. This is the back. Alright, so let's fill up the side pieces. So let's go into the skinny piece. I call this skinny, tall and skinny. So this is gonna be the first one. Okay, let's do this for both sides. So this is the last outer layer. So you can see this is a little dot right here. So this is pointing to the back of the body. So if this is the front, so this will be placed facing the back. Just like so. And then turn around to the other side. Again, the little dot is facing to the back. It gives that extra layer, like a layer on the back. Now let's close the top part. This is the top right here. Very easy. There we go, we close it. Let's move on to the back. Okay, so now this is the back piece. So you see it go through this 3-hole slot right here. Push it, you know, 2 beads in, and then this one we're gonna close it up. So, like that. Then we're gonna move on to this one, and then we go in this way. Got it? And the last 2 pieces right here, this long one, put in the center, just like so. And then one more, this one. Got it? Alright, so we still have these little 2 pieces. At the bottom you can see the legs. They're missing the holes. So just put it in. And to the other side, the last piece, we're done here. How amazing! Look at that. So you can put your fingers in there, and then the oxygen backpack on the back. Different layer. Stackable. Let me see how many I can stack without falling. I don't know. Okay. Looks like I can. Whoops. I can do 5, probably. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the video and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, let me know. If you make one like this and you like, you know, tag me back on Instagram so I can share with others that they can make one of their own too. Let me see what colors that you make. I want to see what's your favorite color. And I don't know if anyone wants to make this Pikachu one. Maybe comment below, let me know, and we will do something special. Alright, so if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll get more amazing videos like this. And if you're already subscribing me, thank you so much for all your support, and I'll make more amazing videos for all of you. See you guys next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!